Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have some really cute casual party wear tops. Like some of these tops you can wear to your college and other purposes like simple casual hangouts, and other tops are kind of party wear if you have maybe your college fest coming up, maybe आपको किसी party में जाना है, so you can have a try at these tops. They all look amazing, they are super affordable and the quality is top notch at very affordable prices. And all of these tops in today's video are from this brand New Me Asia. Recently a lot of people were making videos on this particular brand, so I thought let's just try this because इसकी quality काफी अच्छी लग रही थी. मैंने यहाँ से dresses, jeans, tops सब मंगवाए हैं, and this is the dress also from New Me Asia that I'm wearing right now, and I've already made a video about this on the New Me Asia dresses. I'll leave the link to it down below, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for today's video I have all of these tops. There are somewhere around 8 to 9 tops, and let's get started. But I'll not be reviewing all the tops in one single go because the video will be very long, so I'll be dividing into two parts. So yeah, let's go. Okay, talking about the very first product, it's this one. It's this white top. It has this lucky label written over it. Looks, oh sorry, yeah, it has this lucky label written over it. Looks very cute, looks very funky and Pinteresty, very aesthetic at the same time, and इसकी quality भी काफी अच्छी है. It's not see-through, it's very less see-through, so obviously when you're wearing white you need to wear like something nude underneath. So white के साथ you always need to do that one thing, and इसकी quality and everything looks very nice. काफ़ी Pinteresty भी लगता है, इसकी fitting काफ़ी अच्छी है, and I got this one in size medium and it fits me perfectly. So it's true to size, I would say. अगर आप इसको अपनी low waist jeans के साथ, if low waist is your thing and if you're comfortable with that, then definitely style this one with your low waist jeans and with those chunky sneakers or with those chunky loafers जो आते हैं. That will look very aesthetic. And if you're carrying like a bagged bag, it looks insane. And if you're not comfortable with low rise jeans, then you can definitely style them with your mid rise jeans or high rise jeans, और आप shorts के साथ भी style कर सकते हो if that's your vibe, and because वो काफी street style लगेगा. You can also style this with your skirts, काफी soft girl aesthetic वाली vibe देगा, and again with the chunky sneakers if you're going for skirts. And next option can be your baggy jeans or your parachute pants. That is very trendy these days. So if you want to go ahead and buy some parachute pants, I'll leave the link to it also down below. You can check it out. And parachute pants के साथ भी it will look very nice. I'll add some inspo pictures कि parachute pants के साथ ये कैसी लग सकती है. And you can again style them with your sneakers and it will look really nice. And this is how it looks. Quality wise it's really nice. I would give this a solid 10 out of 10. So the price for this one is 649 rupees. So not a very bad price for this top. And now let's move on to the next product. Moving on, I have this top over here. First of all, can we appreciate the quality and the fabric because it's very soft. I will be inserting some videos and clips of me wearing this one. This is not from New Me. This is from a different brand. This is the only top that I got from a different brand, and this is from, I guess, Tokyo Talkies. And this is how it looks. It has this sweet as life cherries, delicious cherries written over it. This is how the top looks like. Iska color and everything looked very aesthetic, so I bought this one. Isme there was this another color in white, but I got this one. I really wanted to try out new colors, and even if you are someone who doesn't know ki what colors look good on you, you can definitely go and try out different colors, and that is how you will know ki okay, this color works on me and this doesn't. So that is why I tried out this top, and काफी अच्छा लग रहा था. इसका color is very sea greenish type का color है. It looks very nice, and इसकी fabric की quality is very soft, like super flowy and comfortable on the skin. If you want something for your regular college wear or for your regular hangouts, just some normal casual tops in your wardrobe, this one can be your option. And this one is super affordable. This is only for 250 rupees. Yes, it's only for 250 rupees, and the quality you're getting in this price, it's insane. काफ़ी अच्छी quality. I can give this one on that. And you can pair them with your high rise jeans, you can pair them with your skirts, you can pair them with your skirts. काफ़ी सारे bottoms के साथ ये top चला जाएगा and looks very casual. So again I would give this one a solid 10 out of 10. And let's move on to the next top. Okay, so for the next top I have this one in black color, and I absolutely loved this one. I absolutely loved the fit, how it hugged my body in just the right places, and it also has that sweetheart neck which looks amazing on every single body type. Okay, let me just put it out there, sweetheart. Next, looks good on every single body type. It accentuates your body proportions, it balances out your body proportions, and इसके साथ you can pair a lot of things. मैंने इसके साथ ये skirt pair की थी, the ruffled skirt that I bought from Yumi again. Looks very nice. इसका combination काफी French aesthetic vibe देता है, that I love. And I've also paired this one in jeans. I'll put the clips of both the outfits over here so you can check them out. Jeans के साथ भी काफी अच्छा लग रहा था. And the jeans I paired it with, I will link it down below. The ruffled skirt की भी link I'll put it down below. And if you want to go ahead and buy the jeans, you can check out either my wide leg jeans haul that I posted just yesterday video. I'll leave the link to it in the description down below. And yeah, talking about the top, इसकी quality is very nice. I bought this one in size medium. इसके sleeves आगे से it's something like this, like it opens up over here. But I would say one thing, कि इसका fabric is not very summer friendly. So like we are moving into winters and you have your college fest or you have your freshers or you have any kind of occasion or party coming on, you can take this one in consideration according to that weather, but not right now because super humid these days. And if you want to go ahead and plan something for your college fest or आपका freshers or any kind of occasion, then you can definitely pair it with your ruffled skirt. It gives such a good vibe. I'm obsessed with that look. I would not recommend you wearing a skirt underneath this because it will not balance out your body proportions and it will look very odd. So that is why skirts and shorts इसके नीचे you should avoid them. Try wearing something flowy like wide legs or maybe like the skirt that I told you, or a long skirt. That would look very nice. Price for this one is 899 rupees, and when you head on to the website there will be a code. You can use that code and get some percentage off, so you'll get it somewhere around 700 rupees I think. You can wear it for multiple occasions. आपकी कोई भी पार्टी आ रही है, you can style it differently. आप इसको जीन्स के साथ वेयर करते हो तो completely different look आता है. आप इसको स्कर्ट के साथ पेयर करते हो तो completely different look आता है. So you can wear this top in multiple ways at multiple occasions, so you'll be able to wear this a lot. And yeah, that's about it. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments down below, and let's move on to the next product. Okay, moving on, I have this top over here. It's in baby blue color. Sorry about the lighting again. But yeah, it's in baby blue color, and in the starting I couldn't figure out how to wear it, but it's super easy. Okay, this is how it looks. Isme you have these chains, you can tie them at the back and it gives off such a beautiful look. And let me tell you that you can style this top in so many different ways, or like all the tops jisme you have this string, you can style them in so many multiple ways. Like you can cross it up and then tie it at the back, you can just tie them at the back like this, and there are so many other multiple ways that you can style this top. And I styled this top with my wide leg jeans again, and it looked amazing. So fabric and all is very nice, not at all see-through. And I bought this one in size medium again, and iska jo ruched pattern hai, it looks very nice. It accentuates your body proportions, balances it out, and ruched pattern looks good on every body type because it hugs your body in the right places and you can adjust it however you want. So that is why I loved ruched patterns, and if you haven't tried them on, definitely get your hands on one because it will look amazing. And I think that's about it. And the price for this top is 749 rupees. And again, as I told you guys, when you head over to the website, you'll find a code, and using that one you'll get some percentage off, so you'll get this top somewhere around 500 rupees I feel, and that is a very good deal. You will be able to use this top in multiple occasions as I told you all. So yes, you all, that was about it. I will cover more of the tops in my next video, and I hope you all enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.